purpose of this video is for you to be able to operate electromagnetic radiations equations. They're basically two formulas, and you could think of them like a language. People study nature, and they learn to capture phenomena that they see there, and then they use this ideas to study other scenarios, and these formulas are basically just like a language to describe things of nature. This is an idea that I got from Sebastian Thurn. Here are the equations. One of them has to do with wave speed, and its equation is wave speed equals wavelength times frequency, and this is the way it would look if you wrote out with its symbols. The other equation has to do with the energy of light, and the energy of light is dependent upon the frequency of the light times a constant, Planck's constant. And here it is. It's E equals h times nu, and nu is frequency, and h is Planck's constant. Now, we're going to use equation pyramids like we used before, and here is it for all waves: wave speed over wavelength times frequency, and c is lambda times nu. This is for light. Any electromagnetic radiation is a form of light, and c is just the speed at which it travels. Now, these equation pyramids are important or useful in that I cover up what I want to solve for. In this case, it would be c. I want to solve for c, and that means c is equal to lambda times nu. If I cover up frequency or wavelength, lambda is equal to c divided by nu. Lambda is c divided by frequency. And frequency, I cover it up and then I look at what's left. C equals c over lambda. So frequency is the speed divided by lambda. Now here's another equation pyramid. Once again, what am I solving for? Let's say I'm solving for the energy. I cover up energy, and then I'm left with Planck's constant and the frequency, and they're next to each other, so they get multiplied. So energy is Planck's constant times frequency. Now, if I wanted to solve for Planck's constant, I would divide the energy by the frequency. H equals E, the energy, divided by nu. If I wanted to solve for frequency, that's the energy of the light divided by Planck's constant.